What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. That's right. You're checking out a 1989 Firebird Formula, a rare one, 14,000 original miles, powered by a 5.7 liter V8, fuel injected, 700R 4-speed automatic transmission. This car is fully original. No stories, T-tops, documented, clean Carfax. Unbelievable. 14,000 miles. Never a fight. Not many of these were ever built. The moldings, everything is nice. Interior, clean. Got one little tiny hole. I'm going to try to work on it in the driver's seat, but nothing major. That's right, 14,000 miles. Crazy. It's just as clean underneath, too. Fully powered. Everything's working the way it should be working. Wow. That's truly something special. All right, let's get up and close. 5.7. All factory lines, the way it should be. No fading on the bumper. It was always kept in a garage, under a cover. No stories on the front fender. Tiny, tiny little door ding. That's it. Lines up great with the fender to the door, as well as the quarter and the door. Wheels and tires are in excellent condition. All your glass around the car is great, period. Rear bumper's in good shape, no stories. All your lights in back are in good shape. Rear quarter fine, no stories. Lines up. I don't think you're going to find another one of these, folks. No siroonie. All right, let's check out inside that cabin. Back seat's great shape, nothing to talk about. 14,287 miles. Cruise control, power windows, power mirrors, CD player, air conditioning, trunk release, WS6 power performance. Brochure. Center console. Power locks, tilt. Your T-tops are in excellent condition. Those are your covers, those are your shades. And it's got the pull shade to cover the back. Rear defroster. Your pull downs are in great shape. Just like it should. Did I tell you 14,000 miles? Nothing modified, all factory. just got done driving it. It drives like new as well. No stories, no noises, no braking problems, no anything. Handles phenomenal. All your stickers, all your quarters, everything's original, folks. Real nice car. No disappointments. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from from a 639 to a 739, please go directly to our website, MGM Classic Cars. That's mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, minimum 10% down. We'll finance up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Approvals within 24 hours. Again, up to 84 months. We have over 120 cars in inventory ready for immediate delivery. All my pricing, description, video, and pictures are online. We ship all over the United States, opened and enclosed, bonded and insured. If you have any questions on our cars or need quotes on shipping, please contact me by texting or calling me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 until 5, Saturday from 10 until 2, all by appointment only. Repeat, by appointment only. Text me or call me. I'll get you an appointment at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. I hope you really enjoyed this 1989 Formula with 14,000 miles. You'll be seeing me again soon. Have a wonderful day.